Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you'll be able to disable autosave on WhatsApp. Because like we have that moment where suddenly we're surprised to see on our gallery that some videos or photos are saved from WhatsApp, a WhatsApp folder, and like we didn't save those pictures. That's because WhatsApp actually automatically saves those pictures and media for videos for you. And what you can do is head over to settings by clicking on the top right corner, and you'll find storage and data over here. As you can see, there's like auto download, and down here you'll see media auto download. We found it, boys. Okay, so as you can see here, you have options such as when using mobile data and when connected on Wi-Fi. And when you're connected to Wi-Fi, it actually automatically downloads like all 4 of them. So that's quite annoying, right? So you can disable that by just unchecking everything. But I want to save my files, so I'm just gonna check some. I don't need the document though. So yeah, that is how you disable the autosave in WhatsApp. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.